Hello everyone, I'm Minaz Altaf Sheikh, Bachelor's of Engineering, Information and Technology, batch 2015-18. I'm currently pursuing my master's degree in Computer Science from University College Dublin, Ireland. The years I've spent in my bachelor's degree were the best and crucial years of my life. AP Shah Institute of Technology has acted as a transformation platform for me. Especially an average student like me were given numerous opportunities to prove myself, learn and deliver. Basically, they have made us compatible to the outside world, providing us with the necessary facilities. The best part about AP Shah Institute of Technology was they used to encourage students to come forward, speak up their mind, give ideas, reviews, feedback, which they do take under consideration and try to inculcate them into the system for the better future. As I am far away from my land, I really miss my college days. All my classmates, teachers, HOD sir, staff members, everyone has played an important role in my life. And yeah, I'm happy and proud to say that I was a part of AP Shah Institute of Technology.
Greetings everyone. First of all, I would like to start up by saying thank you to AP Shah and IT department, बिकॉज आज मैं अपने करियर में जहाँ पे भी जो पोजीशन पे भी खड़ा हूँ, इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ AP Shah एंड IT डिपार्टमेंट. बिकॉज कोई भी चीज़ को फ्लरिश करने के लिए एंड ग्रो करने के लिए इट इज़ एसेंशियल कि उस चीज़ का फाउंडेशन इज़ सुपर स्ट्रॉन्ग. एंड आई वुड से AP Shah and IT डिपार्टमेंट फोकस्ड ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर perspective very nicely, very strongly, because they had very good faculty wherein अगर कोई स्टूडेंट को डाउट हो तो स्टूडेंट कैन द फैकल्टी वॉज सो फ्रेंडली दैट स्टूडेंट्स बिना डरे और हेजिटेट किए दे कुड अप्रोच द फैकल्टी एंड दे कुड आस्क देयर डाउट्स. एंड टीचर्स भी अकॉर्डिंगली उनको एकदम अच्छी से डाउट एक्सप्लेन करते थे, एंड इफ नीडेड दे वुड ऑल्सो गाइड देम टू करेक्ट पाथ और सम ऑल्टरनेट मेथड्स वेयर दे वुड गेट better results, which will eventually help them in their projects, in their path, or whatever it is. And another good thing that I observed is the courses certification initiative that was and is currently being under process as an initiative by AP Shah and the IT department, because it is very essential to have courses certification under your profile, because that lures up the recruiters a lot, and that will help you essentially to know more something apart from your syllabus, and that really helped us as well. So yes, I would like to say thank you once again for this great journey. It was awesome. Thank you.
I'm Namrata Harish Joshi. I've done my graduation in Information Technology from AP Shah Institute of Technology. As an alumni, it gives me immense pleasure to share my reviews with you all. APSIT not only focuses on building a perfect career for an individual, but also ensures that an individual grows perfect in all aspects. APSIT focuses on both social as well as technical development of an individual. The institution provides various certification to build and upgrade the skills of a student. The labs and libraries of APSIT are well equipped and up to date. The faculties and staffs are very helpful. APSIT is not just a college, it's a family, and I'm fortunate to be a part of this.
I am Udabindra Maiti, and I completed my graduation in IT department from AP Shah Institute of Technology, and I'm now currently placed in Amazon Web Services India. So here I'm gonna share my personal experience about the 4-year journey with the college. So as all of us know that engineering studies cannot be completed with just the theoretical knowledge. Along with the theoretical knowledge, we do require certain set of additional skills too, which APSIT has provided to me. The college has partnered with many educational institutions such as Blockchain Council, NVIDIA, Coursera and many more, and some of these courses are totally sponsored by the college itself. And speaking about the lab infrastructure, the college consists of the latest lab infrastructure that any IT or computer student would expect to have in their labs. And the college consists of a very highly qualified set of faculties, and they helped me a lot during the exams. And speaking about the placements here is very amazing, and the training and placement cell helped me a lot personally during my placement period. And I feel very privileged to be part of such an institution. It was an amazing experience here. Thank you.
This is Saurabh Sharma from the IT department of AP Shah Institute of Technology. The term AppSet is not just a name for me anymore. It has become an emotion for the person it has made me over these 4 years and the skills that it has inculcated in me. Talking about the facilities, AppSit has an ocean of facilities to provide. To talk about, the Moodle, that is the e-learning server, is available for students to get access to course contents, given online submissions, and attempt various course quizzes. The discussion portal online is available for students to get their doubts and grievances addressed by getting directly in contact with their faculty members. The training and placement department of AppSit is like a cherry on top of the cake. It continuously helps students to get the knowledge about the industry standards, and it organizes huge campus placement drives in college so that the students can get placed in their dream companies. Talking about the infrastructure of our college has dedicated laboratories for students so that they can complete their course certifications, and these laboratories have systems with high computing capabilities. Our college has a library, an e-library, a spacious canteen, and a basement parking. Certifications is yet another aspect that helps improve student skills. Therefore, AppSit provides pre-certification courses to our students. The environment that is needed to complete these certification courses as well as the projects is provided by AppSit. The PBL, that is project-based learning, is a newly introduced activity which helps students to get familiar with the new technologies and softwares. All these activities are carried out under expert supervision of our faculties, which have deep knowledge about their subject, and they are always ready to help. They have always been supportive and encouraging, which helps boost the morale of students just like me. College life is the part that I'm genuinely going to miss about this college. That is because our annual day fest OJIS, our technical fest, the sports day events, hackathon, and industrial visits have all taken me to the next level of learning. The interactions with friends and professors within the college has always been enriching. Thus, my journey at AppSit has helped me to pursue my goals as a technical student and help work towards the betterment of the society.